What's up, investors? My name is Artem Digarev, and in a couple of minutes you will know what is macroeconomics. I will first give you a professional definition and then I will explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much, and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so macroeconomics is a study that shows how the whole economy of a country behaves. It can study both internal and external events such as GDP, inflation, unemployment rates, economic growth, national debt, and economic relations between countries. And here is an example. Microeconomics and macroeconomics are both part of the economy. And while microeconomics focuses on financial relations between individuals and businesses, macroeconomics study how the economy performs as a whole. Think about it as the following. Imagine you need to build a road and you have 20 workers. You tell them what needs to be done and they start working. You observe them, see them doing their own parts, helping and interacting with each other. And this is the analogy of microeconomics. But then you decided to go on top of the building and now you see that there is a river in front of your road. So you realize that in order for this project to be successful, you need to build a bridge over the river. Now you don't pay attention on your individual workers building your road anymore. Instead, you look at this project as a whole, from bigger perspective. And only from this higher perspective you can set the whole direction of this project. And this is the analogy of macroeconomics. Microeconomics focuses on how this project is executed, and macroeconomics focuses on the direction and status of this project. And if you still have any questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investments. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I hope there was something new that you learned today and it was straight to the point.